How to make an invisible username on Discord. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To make an invisible username on Discord, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to the user settings of Discord. Now in here, go ahead and click on the account button, and this will take you to your account. Click on the display name. Now in here, you can customize your display name on Discord. So as you can see in here, if you keep your display name blank, you won't be able to have an invisible username on Discord. The only option that you have in here is to enter either one letter, character, or number in this area to be able to have a username on Discord, since if you enter a space on your display name, your username will be displayed as your displayed name on Discord, and that's how you can simply make an invisible username on Discord.